Counselling Tutor YouTube channel. Let me ask you a few questions. Are you worried about hitting the criteria in your counselling assignments? Or maybe have you been referred because you've not hit the criteria in your counselling assignments? Or are you sitting on YouTube looking for inspiration to write your counselling assignments because you're really confused about what you should be writing and if you'll pass should you submit your counselling assignment? If that's you, then I've got something really special for you. A free counselling academic writing course. Yes, absolutely free. A comprehensive course that takes you through how to write academically in counselling courses, how to hit the criteria, how to look for your reading, and how to structure and base your assignment so you've got a better chance of passing first time. How do you get that free course? Well, it's simple. Click in the link on the comments bar below. It will take you to a website where you can enrol on your free counselling academic writing course. And as always, thank you for watching.